Study of race. In brief, race as a social construct is a group of people who share similar and distinct physical characteristics. First used to refer to speakers of common language and then to denote national affiliations. By the 17th century, race began to refer to physical, that is, phenotypical traits. The term was often used in a general biological taxonomical sense starting from the 19th century to denote genetically differentiated human populations defined by phenotype. Social consumptions and grouping of races vary over time, involving defined essential types of individuals based on perceived traits. Detail going on. What do you mean by race? The classification of human beings on the basis of the skin color, such as black race or white race. Look at this picture. Different races. Can you define race? Race as a scientific concept applies only to the biological grouping of human types. Criteria of race. First, skin color. Example, black race, white race, yellow race. Second, physical recognition. Example, Negroes, European. 3. Nation voice. Example, Irish, Japanese. 4. Linguistic voice. Example, Aryans, Dravidians, Jews. Determinants of race. Race is a biological concept. First, color of skin. Second, orifice of eye. Third, parameter, height. 4, structure of nose. 5, blood group. 6, length of head. 7, parameter of chest. Classification of races. Races in India. First, pre-Dravidian type, hills and jungles. Second, Dravidian type, South India. 3, Indo-Aryan, Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan. 4, Aryo-Dravidian, Gangetic Valley. 5, Cyto-Dravidian, east of Indus. 6, Mongoloid, found in Assam. Races in USA. First, Asian American, high level of health. Second, Native American, has better health level today. 3. Hispanic American, Latin American origin. Separate group, health data separate. 4. African American, poor health status. Look at this table. Total population in USA and race, weight, maximum population. Next, African American, then American Indian, Alaska Native, then Asian, Native Hawaii, etc. Salient features of primary race. First, racism, racial discrimination or race prejudice. Second, no nation in the world which has pure race. Third, some race stands lower on than other races. 4. Confusion, race with nation. 5. Language as a characteristic race. 6. Identifying race with nationality. Race prejudice or racism. Can you define? Racism as the belief that all members of each race possess characteristics, abilities or qualities specific to that race, especially so as to distinguish it as inferior or superior to another race or races, and the expression of such prejudice nature of race prejudice. Prejudice means to prejudge or race discrimination. It is the one of the greatest voice in the world peace. Conflict among races, and there are war between nations. Race prejudice not inborn or natural. It leads communal violence. Major international problems due to racism. Sources of race prejudice. First, economic advantages. Second, political advantages. Third, ethnocentrism. 4, compensation for forestation. 5, lack of proper education. Facts about races. UNESCO arranged conference. Some prominent sociologists, anthropologists and psychologists. The conference made following observations. First, the entire species has one origin. The difference between the physical characteristics due to heredity and environment. 3. The concept of racial purity is a myth. 4. Have no relation with race and intelligent. 5. Intelligent people are found in all races. 6. That intermixing of races is harmful is an incorrect belief. 7. No relation between racial and social changes. 8. It is possible that in one nation has the degree of racial differences. Eradication of race prejudice. First, education regarding humanity. Second, to ensure human rights. 3. Legislative measures. 4. Government policies. 5. Reservation for minority races. 6. Affirmative action. Administrative measures. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.